Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the essential tools every beginner needs, whether you are just starting out or looking to refresh your sewing kits. Stick around because we got you covered. First off, let's talk about the art of sewing collection. The machine. Investing in a good sewing machine can significantly speed up your projects. As a beginner, look for a basic model to start with. Now look at this blackhead machine. It's a manual one, and one of its obvious advantage is the fact that it does not require any electricity to operate, and it is beginner friendly and easier to maintain. And you can as well get electric motor for it. It is affordable and it makes pedaling much more easier. Next on the list is our best friend, measuring tape. This is used for taking accurate body measurements and measuring fabric. You see, it is in inches and also in centimeter. Either one you choose to use, you are good to go. So here's the slogan: take your time to measure twice and cut once, so your finished project will thank you. So next on our list is a good pair of scissors. Trust me, having sharp scissors dedicated to fabric cutting will make your life so much easier. So you have to opt for a pair with comfortable handle and a long, precise blade that cut through fabric effortlessly. Remember to reserve them exclusively for fabric to keep them sharp for longer. Now let's talk about fabric shock. This tool is useful for marking fabric before cutting or sewing. It comes in different colors. So here with me I have color blue, pink, yellow and white. Don't mind this one, I've actually overused it. So this is actually what it looks like on the screen. Okay. So when you're working with a particular color of fabric, let's say for example you're working with color pink, so it is advisable that you use maybe blue or yellow, something colors that is contrast to what you are working with, so that you'll be able to see your mark area clearly. Guys, let's face it, mistakes happen, especially when you are just starting out. That's where this humble seam ripper comes to the rescue. These handy tools allow you to undo stitches quickly and neatly without damaging your fabric. So don't be afraid to embrace mistakes as part of your learning process. You know, we all learn every day, and even as a professional or intermediate, we make mistakes, and that is part of the learning process. Accuracy is key in sewing. This ruler is actually multifunction. You can use it to measure a straight vertical line or horizontal line, and as well as to measure curves like armhole, like hip curve, neckline, and so many more, and so on. So it's actually very, very, very good. It's like using one money to buy multiple items. That's just what this ruler is all about. Of course, no sewing project is complete without thread. So you've got to stock up on variety of good quality thread in different colors to match your fabric. You wouldn't want to use maybe red for a white fabric, or you use pink for a black fabric. So you've got to get some few colors to start up your project. Another must have in your sewing kit is a selection of pins and needles. These are used to pin patterns to fabric or hold fabric pieces together while sewing. It's very, very essential. You can't just skip that process. Very essential. So this hand needles comes in various sizes as well. You can need them for tacking buttons, sewing embellishments, and making invisible stitches on fabric. So it has so many functions that you can use it for. So it's actually very important as part of your sewing kits. Now this is thread cutter. So it is used to cut thread from the machine while sewing. You make notches like this. You trim fabric edges, like maybe you just want to have some little edge control, so you use your thread cutter, which is very important. So as a beginner, you will need to select some basic fabrics such as Ankara, cotton, such as linen, or you can go for some very cheap fabric that you know is affordable for practice purposes. So you can choose fabric that are easy to work with for some first few projects, and you can as well get some brown paper too, which is essential. Use it for pattern cutting as a beginner, so it's very crucial. Get some fabric, do some, you know, the more you practice, the more you get better. So I would advise that you get some cheap Ankara fabric that is, you know, is affordable, then you can use it for practice. So this is a pressing iron. This one will be good for pressing before and after sewing, which is very crucial for achieving best looking results. Okay guys, there you have it, the essential tools every beginner needs to embark on their creative journey. Remember, building your sewing kit is a gradual process, so don't feel overwhelmed by the options that is available out there. Start with the basic, and as you gain confidence and tackle more projects, you can expand your collection. Happy sewing, and stay tuned for more tips, tutorial and inspiration right here on my channel. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think, or if you have any question, I'd love to hear from you. So thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.